Okay, in this one, we're going to look at each individual line and see if it's possible. And if it's possible, what is the result? And we may have to do some conversions along the way. So like, for example, this first one is milliseconds squared divided by seconds. Is that possible? Yes, but we got to do some conversions. So what I'm going to do is convert this to milliseconds. And once we do that, then we will cancel the milliseconds squared by milliseconds. And so it's like finding area where if you have 25 centimeters squared and you know one side is 5 centimeters, you would divide that and this would become 5 centimeters. So you cancel that unit. Let's say it's possible. So then the next thing is I'm going to convert 0.060 for every 1. So I'm going to multiply that by 1,000. Okay, and so then I would say 300 divided by 60 equals 5. Now I need to do, I have 3 sig figs, I have 2 sig figs, so I'm going to end with 2. So I'm going to say 5.0. Okay, now let's look at the next one. 9 grams times liter. So we can, if we multiply different units, so one is mass, one is volume, we can get gram liters. And so we just multiply those. 9 times 1 equals 9. 2 significant figures, so 9.0 gram liters. Make sure you have that dot between them. Now, last one, we got milliliters squared times milliliters. So that's going to go to milliliters cubed. And we're going to do 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 is 64, and it's going to be milliliters. 2 significant digits, milliliters cubed. Now, if it's the same units, you'll add that cubed unit. There we go. So these can be difficult. Writing them out is good as you go along, and then checking those units. So the same units, do you need to do any conversions like the milliseconds from seconds, or are they in units that can be either multiplied or divided out?